and we coming with a new question, and we have x equal to given the this digit, y equal to given this digit, and z equal to given this digit, and we have three digit x, y, and z, and they asking to you, and we have to calculate LCM and HCF of x, y, z. In the LCM, what is the concept of LCM? And you have to calculate the maximum power of the factor. In the maximum power of factor, we have three factors: A, B, and C. In the A2 power, B1 power, that is the power of B1, and C power 4. That means all of the factor of these numbers. The maximum power of A, the maximum power of A is 4, and the maximum power of B again 4. The maximum power of C again 4. That means the LCM of x, y, z is A, B, C is the whole power 4. And this is the LCM of x, y, z. And the HCF is the highest common factor. In a common is A, B, and C. The highest power in, the lowest power in all of these is a to the power 2. And again, power B is 1, and C power is C. That means is the SCF of these two, and we have take the common factor of these, and the possible common factor in this is only x to the power 2, because the is the minimum power, and the factor of B is the minimum power is B, the factor of C is minimum power is 1, and that is the SCF of these number, and this is the LCM and HCF, and we have to calculate the LCM of these number, and in decimal, which is impossible to calculate, the first we change these number in fraction form, and this will become and this decimal number we can change in fraction form. And in fraction form, if you have a in a fraction form, first you calculate the LCM of numerator and HCF of denominator. This is the concept of, if you calculate the LCM, numerator is the upper values of these, and we have to calculate the LCM of these numbers 25, 5, and 75, and we have calculated the LCM of these. This is 5, that means LCM of these numerator digit is 5 into 5 into 5, that means 175, and we have calculated the HCF of these number, ones are zeros are again zeros are. That means the SCF of the denominator part is 10. Then we have the answer, the LCM of this and 175, and the SCF of this denominator is 10. That means 17.5, and that means the LCM of these number is, and we can write 17.5. If you have any decimal number, first you will change the in fraction form. All the fractions of denominator of these, you have to calculate the LCM, and denominator part you have to calculate SCF. and they divided these two, and you have calculated the LCM of. Separately calculate the denominator LCM and separately calculate the HCF of. About the new concept in HCF and LCM. If you have given the LCM of two number and HCF of two number, and the product of LCM of two number, HCF of two number is equal to the product of two number. This is a equation, and behalf of the equation we have to calculate the many question. If we have given the LCM of two number is 264, and we have given HCF is 33, and the one number we have to given 66. Find the other number, and then have this data is given to you, and they asking to you the second number, and then we use this formula. Product of these two number 264 and 33 equal to the first number, product meaning multiplication, and we can assume the second number be s, and we divided by this 264 33 divided by 66 equal to x. 1 za 2 za, and we have 2 3 2, and this is the next, and the other number is 132. The another concept of LCM and HCF is the product of HCF and LCF of two number, and it should be equal to product of two number. And we have to do the next question, and they are asking to you, and what is the smallest number which when divisible by these number when you will increase by 6, and they are asking to you the smallest number. Then we have calculated the first LCM of these number, and now we calculate the LCM, and then we use division method. Again we will divide it by 3. And the LCM 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 7. That means 2 to the 4, 3 to the 9 is 27, 27 fours are, and we have calculated 27 fours are 108 and multiply by 7, and this will become 7 5 6. This is a LCM, and this number is divisible by these numbers, and they are asking you we have to increase this by 6. That means we have to subtract, and according to question, demanded question answer is 756 minus 6, and the answer is 750. 750 is the answer, because, and you will increase this number by 6, then it will become 256, and 756, and 756 is divisible by the these number, and that is the answer and the solution of this question. And we have to calculate LCM and HCF of these numbers. First we have to calculate the LCM, and we have two methods to calculate the LCM, and division method and the prime factorization method, and we use the division method. This is 2, 15 and 10. We take 3, 5, 5, 5. That means LCM equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. That means 4 5 are 23 are 60. That means LCM is 60. And then now we calculate the HCF. 5 divided by 15. This is a division method. It is a 15 and this is 5 is the HCF. Again check the next one. 20. 5 4 are 20. That means 0. Therefore the HCF is 5 and they ask to you the ratio mean divide LCM divide HCF. That means 60 divide 5. That means 12. 12 is the answer. At 12 ratio 1. And we can say the ratio is 12 ratio 1. And if the answer is 12 ratio 1.